Hello, welcome to part 2 of module 3 in the AI plus robotics workshop series at Illinois State University. I'm going to assume that you have access to Google Classroom, you have downloaded the guidelines, you have downloaded the 2 Python files, and you have watched the first video. If you have watched the first video, you should have trained a teachable machine using the images captured with your car camera. What we want to make sure is that we know where our model has been downloaded to. So I have the zip file here, and I have the model and the labels in a subfolder called car_model. Just to be consistent with the code that we have here, car_model subfolder, car_model subfolder used in the code. You can use any other subfolder, just be consistent in the code and change it accordingly. What you want to make sure is that car camera module through Wi-Fi, and it takes a few seconds for me to show you here. This is my car camera that I'm connected to. Make sure the browser is closed, you're not seeing the camera anywhere else. And this is the file that we're going to be using. The script is available for you to download, but if you want to copy and paste, these are the 3 code snippets that you put back to back in a single Python file in VS Code. So I'm going to go to my VS Code. This is the file, and as you see that my car images are in a subfolder, and the model has been downloaded in the subfolder, and I'm using that subfolder here in my code. Just be consistent here. I'm going to run my model. It's going to capture an image and predict its label based on the model that we trained in the first video using Google Teachable Machine. All right, that's it. Actually, my model didn't perform very well. I showed thumbs up, and I expected the model to say it's go, but it didn't recognize thumbs up that I showed it. It predicted the label as background. And that's okay, because our focus here was to complete the whole workflow from collecting images to training the model and testing the model. It was not supposed to be a good model. It was just supposed to be a model. That's all we needed to do in module 3. See you all in Turner Hall on Wednesday. Bye.